You must wonder as much as I wonder, what are the difference? Is it really a big difference between the natural and the Wispies? Because if we put these back to back, don't they look the same? We're going to try one on one eye and the other on the other. You can see like they are so very similar, but do they look drastically different on the eye? Let's do it right now.
You ever hear the rumor about butter?
No.
That's all right, because I don't want to spread it. Oh my God! Did you hear about the kidnapping at your school?
What? No? What are you talking about?
Well, no need to worry. He woke up.
That's not funny, Dad.
You think this cooking's good? You should go check out the new restaurant they got on the moon.
The moon?
Yeah, great food, no atmosphere.
Ugh, I am done.
Okay, so we have the natural on this side and the Wispies on this side. And when you look at me, they are extremely similar, right? The only difference is that these are crisscrossed and these are just a little bit more straight. But when I look at you, like, look at that. Do you really notice a huge difference? No, not really. I'm like, wow. Okay, so I guess the natural look very similar to the Wispies. And if you want to know the numbers, this is the natural 120. And this is it just says Wispies on this one. It doesn't give me a number. So, yeah. You guys tell me if you see a difference. But I don't really see a difference. Besides, you can see the straightness and the crisscrossiness. But they both look very natural.